Hello everyone, this is Team Alchemist's final video presentation on our project that is fly ash adsorbent based water purifier. These are the names of our group members which are from civil engineering, chemistry and electrical engineering department. We will discuss the 7 C's regarding our project. So the first C, the cause. The most common problem in rural areas is the scarcity of clean water. Also, one other major issue is the contamination of clean water resources by industrial wastes. The direct dumping of industrial waste containing toxic chemicals like heavy metals like lead, arsenic and mercury, and strong anions like fluorine and sulfur in the water bodies. After this, we move on to the context. The most affected states by fluorine contamination are Rajasthan, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, the most affected states by arsenic contamination are West Bengal and Odisha. The picture given in the slide shows the dangers of lead and arsenic poisoning. Lead can have a huge impact on the nervous system, whereas arsenic can lead to cancer of lungs, kidney, and liver. Next C is the comprehension. Affordability, technology, and accessibility are the 3 aspects in order to find a solution of any problem. The current RO and UV purifier are not effective in removing heavy metal impurity. Also, access to the current purification technology is limited to urban areas and it is also pretty expensive. The 4th C is check. Our aim is to develop an environment-friendly, economically viable treatment method which is easily accessible in rural areas. The next C is the conception. So we discussed the various techniques used for purification of water like the simple live straw method based on hollow microfiltration technology. The purifying sac which uses SWDP, which means solar water disinfection process. But the most effective method for the heavy metal contaminated water purification was the use of zeolites, which were made from fly ash. Zeolite is the best method because it is an environment friendly method, as zeolites are made from fly ash, which is an industrial waste. The benefits of this method are shown below. Following is the method for the synthesis of zeolites from fly ash, which involves the use of sodium hydroxide and is manufactured in the industries. Zeolite has the structure as shown, where the size of cavity is suited to trap the toxic ions like heavy metals and fluorides. The 2 models adopted for purification, the column-based system and the bed system. Column-based technique can be used at the household level, whereas the bed-based system can be used for large-scale water purification plants. The final C is the connection. Zeolite technique is currently used in sewage water treatment, but on a limited scale. Zeolites can also be modified using surfactants for removal of fluorine and sulfates. This method can be implemented in regions near to the thermal power plants. Due to easy availability of the raw material, which is the fly ash, Nalco is the major producer of zeolites. In order to make sure that our technique reaches the masses, we need to take help of the government agencies and the NGOs. We had a word with Ms. Shalini Ramteke, who is the Sarpanch of Masalmeta village, which lies in Bhandara district of Maharashtra. We came to know about Jal Swarajya project by Government of India, which is funded by the World Bank. We can take help of such programs and others like NRDWP, the National Rural Drinking Water Program run by the Government of India. Also, the NGOs like Water and Well Works can also help us in making our technique reach the masses. World bodies like UNICEF also support the national and state governments in developing and implementing a range of replicable intervention models for sanitation, hygiene, and water supply. An approach to these organizations through the Government of India can help the technique reach the rural people of India. These were the 7 C's by which we explained our project. Thank you.